And now to monkeypox. San Diego County now recording 134 confirmed and probable cases. The infection can last up to a month. It's painful. And right now there are no proven treatments, but a drug invented at UC San Diego is showing promise.
Scientists are now calling for large-scale studies. We're going in depth on how a drug originally invented to fight a terror attack could become a tool in today's public health emergency. In 1999, UC San Diego professor Carl Hostetler got a call from the National Institutes of Health asking if he could invent a pill to fight smallpox. The feds were worried terrorists could use smallpox as a bioweapon.
They wanted something that could be given orally because it would be hard to give intravenous drug to hundreds of people or thousands of people.
Dr. Hostetler's drug, brincidofovir, was a success. Last year, it was approved by the FDA under the brand name Tembexa. And for years, studies in labs have shown it also works against other viruses in the pox family.
It's been effective in every animal model of pox virus, including monkeypox, that it's been tested in. So why wouldn't it be effective here?
Last month, the journal Clinical Infectious Diseases released a paper from a team in Oklahoma that reviewed possible treatments for monkeypox and called brincidofovir and another drug promising therapeutic options. UC San Diego's Dr. Robert Schooley is the editor of that journal.
Well, it tells me we should be doing clinical trials.
But so far, federal officials have only launched human trials on the other drug, tecovirimat. Health officials have largely focused their efforts on vaccines for monkeypox, which are still in short supply.
We've been slow on the uptake with monkeypox. Initially, people thought, well, it's a European problem. Well, I guess we have a few cases in the U.S. Oh, good grief, we've got a lot of cases in the U.S.
Both Schooley and Hostetler think we should be running clinical trials on both drugs, comparing them head to head.
And I think it's important to do them now rather than waiting until we have so many cases that it's very difficult to do the studies.
Both of them reduce viral load and should reduce transmission if they were being used.
They argue we shouldn't rely on one drug alone. Since we learned from COVID, the virus can mutate and make certain drugs useless. And early signs suggest monkeypox is mutating faster than expected. With photojournalist Steve Martinez, I'm Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News. Now, the Strategic National Stockpile does have brincidofovir, but so far the government has not released it, so it's not available in pharmacies. The CDC does say that it's currently developing an emergency authorization to facilitate the use of the drug as a treatment for monkeypox.